Hello, scholars. Okay, so you're going to apply for the Gates Scholarship with us. Very good. You're going to need to request a letter of nomination and a letter of recommendation for people to nominate and recommend you for this scholarship. This video is going to show you a sample of a letter of recommendation I wrote a couple of years ago. Here's the whole letter. You probably can't see it. So what we're going to do is take a look at the different parts of it. The letter is basically two parts. The first part is introducing yourself and asking for the recommendation. Dear recommender, thank you for agreeing to write a letter of recommendation for me. You want to make sure you thank the person because they don't have to do this for you. All right, you want to also include the name of the scholarship that you're applying for. In this case, it's Gates Millennium, how much the award is, and what you're highlighting in your letter of recommendation. So in this case, I want the fellowship committee to know that I work as a research associate and that I've developed a course and that I found the scholarship club. Okay, so you're going to put in what you want your scholarship committee person to know. The second half of it gives additional background. Notice that we attach a resume for the person's review. Remember how we have you write those academic resumes? Well, this is where you use them. So you want to attach your resume for them to review, give them a hard deadline of when your materials are due and when you need to pick them up from that person, from the recommender. Okay, for Gates, they're going to actually recommend and nominate online. So in that case, you would send them the URL of where they need to fill out the recommendation. And don't forget to give them your contact information. They're going to have questions. So make sure that it's easy for them to contact you. Give them both a phone number and an email address. Okay, great. Look for the next installment.